Hello, in front of me I've got Jedi Survivor. In this video I'll show you how to customize Saber. In the beginning you have to find workbenches in-game. They are in multiple places in the world. Move to workbench and use
we
it.
try some new components.
Then select Lightsaber. And now you can adjust components of your lightsaber. You can find more components in-game by exploring and entering the boxes. Next, you can adjust a blade. And materials. Apply, go back, and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please hit like, comment and subscribe.